everyone. I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about Modhera village, which is India's first 24/7 solar-powered village. We will have this particular discussion in the following series. First, why it is in news, followed by about Modhera Sun Temple, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about Polity class, which will start from 21st of November, CSAT class, which will start from 14th of November, and current class, which will start from 9th of January. And we will also start optional classes for public administration. So you can inquire about any of the following course on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on toward our discussion and see why it is in news. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared Modhera in Gujarat, Mehsana district as India's first 24/7 solar-powered village. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is on a 3-day visit to Gujarat, will inaugurate various development projects worth rupees 14,600 crores. Assembly election in the Bharatiya Janata Party-ruled Gujarat are scheduled to be held by the end of this year. So this brings Modhera into news. Now we will see the key highlight of this particular thing and about this particular project. The village, that is Modhera village, has a ground-mounted solar plant. More than 1,000 solar plant or solar panels with 1 kilowatt capacity are also installed on the homes in this village, enabling its residents to receive cost-free solar energy 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. All these solar systems are connected to a battery energy storage system, that is BESS, the country's first grid-connected megawatt-hour scale battery energy storage system. So BESS is country's first grid-connected megawatt-hour scale battery energy storage system. Please keep this fact in mind. During the daytime, the solar panel will provide the power to the village, and in the evening time, the houses will be powered by BESS. The project was implemented in 2 phases, with state allocating 12 hectares of the land for its implementation, and both the central and the state government have vested around 80 crore for this particular project. It will enable people to save 60 to 100% on the electricity bills, which is a very huge amount. Modhera was well known for the Sun Temple. Now it will also be known as a solar-powered village. The heritage lighting and the 3D projection of the Sun Temple would operate on a solar energy, and the 3D projection will inform visitors about the history of Modhera. So this particular news brings Modhera Sun Temple into limelight. We will discuss about Modhera Sun Temple now. Modhera Sun Temple was made by King Bhima I of the Chalukya dynasty in early 11th century. It is made to honor the sun god in Modhera village of Mehsana district on the bank of river Pushpavati. Please remember this river name and this temple name because it is very important. These kind of questions are frequently asked in UPSC examination. The temple is designed in such a way that during every equinox, the first ray of the rising sun would fall on a diamond placed on the head of the sun god. This would also light up the shrine with a golden glow. As you can see in this particular image, this golden glow appears on every equinox. The Sabha Mandap stand on 52 pillars, signifying the 52 weeks in a year. And these are the carvings of the sun on the wall to show that unity between the air, water, earth and space. In 2014, Modhera Sun Temple entered the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and it enjoys the same significance as the other two well-known sun temples in Kashmir, Martand Sun Temple and Odisha, Konark Sun Temple. I have already made a video on Martand Sun Temple. Please refer to it because these temples are in news and they are very important from prelims perspective. Now we will move on to our prelims practice question, which says, with reference to Chauset Yogini Temple situated near Morena, consider the following statement. First statement is, it is a circular temple built during the reign of Kachapaghatta dynasty. Second statement is, it is the only circular temple built in India. Third statement is, it was meant to promote the Vaishnava cult in the region. Fourth statement is, its design has given rise to a popular belief that it was the inspiration behind the Indian Parliament building. Now you have to pick up the correct statement, and your options are 1 and 2, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 4 only, and D 2, 3 and 4 only. Pick up the correct statement and write your answer in comment box. I will answer this particular question in my next video. Now we will discuss yesterday's question, which says, with reference to the Enforcement Directorate, consider the following statement. First statement is, it is a law enforcement agency under the Government of India that is responsible for enforcing economic laws and fighting economic crime. Second statement is, it is administered by the Department of Commerce under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And third statement is, one of the primary objective of ED is to enforce the black money, undisclosed foreign income assets and imposition of the Tax Act 2015. So the correct answer for this particular question is C, that is 1 only. First statement is correct only. Now let's discuss our mains practice question, which says, write a note on the Sun Temple of Modhera. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words and send your answer on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and stay updated with Analyst IAS. Thank you.